The wonders of wildflowers. Flowers need light, air, and nutrients to survive. People who care for plants meet these needs. However, wildflowers do not receive special care. Since a wildflower is completely dependent on its natural environment, each type can survive only in a certain kind of area. Read the characteristics of each of the 6 environments at the right, then read about each wildflower below. Decide in which environment each flower should live. Then write the letter of the environment in the space provided. Environments. We have A, desert, which are hot days, cold nights, and very dry. B are grasslands, thick grass, pastures, roadsides. C is mountains, with cold nights, strong sunlight, and a lot of wind. Seashore will have bright sunlight, strong wind, rocky, sandy, or muddy shores. The tropics have dark and shady, humid, warm, or hot. Waterside would be damp or wet at the sides of lakes and streams. And then you read through the description. So number 1, being thirsty is never a problem for the prickly pear cactus. It has many roots that soak up water and store it for a long time. 2, the water crowfoot has big leaves above the surface that get sunlight. Its tiny leaves under the water allow the stream to move by easily. Yarrow can grow in thick grass because it is a tough plant. Sometimes it grows by the side of a road. 4, the leaves of the dwarfherb are small. The leaves are also thick and juicy because they store water to survive in the very dry climate. Number 5, an orchid lives where there are many trees. It climbs on trees in order to get sunlight. 6, the light blue flowers of the harebell look like tiny bells nodding in the wind. This wildflower thrives in rough pastures where the soil is shallow. Water lilies, number 7. Big flowers with fleshy petals either float on the surface of the water or open above the water on a stalk. 8. The edelweiss has thick, woolly coat of hairs that trap the warmth of the sun. The hairs also protect the flower from wind. 9. The strong stems of the sea holly help it grow on rocky shores and protect it from the wind. 10. In order to survive in dry conditions, the saguaro cactus stores water in its thick stems. 11. Bell heather, which flowers late in the summer, has tiny leaves that stand up to very strong winds. 12. The sea pea lives where there is no soil and little fresh water. However, it has very long roots that reach deep beneath the pebbles in which it grows. Bonus box. If you could live in any of the environments listed above, which would you choose? Why? What types of adaptations would you need to make your current lifestyle in order to survive there? Write your answers in paragraph form on a Google Doc, please. Or you could just click over here, actually, and write your story with a text box. That'd be better. So you could text, I would choose to live in the mountains because and you can change the size of this. If you make it shrink, then the words get smaller. I would choose to live in the mountains because, but you can choose anywhere that you like.